I'm Helen, and I'm the one that does the cooking to support the fact that this guy has had Parkinson's for a while, and that one of the problems we've run up against is swallowing, a little difficulty swallowing, and also getting the digestive system to move regularly. And we've always been looking for easy ways to have certain textures of food, nutrition, and it sounded like kanji had a lot of features that might be interesting for us to really know more about. It was going to be another whole cooking production, which I don't have time for in the morning for breakfast. It wasn't going to happen. It is easy for me to take the little packet and pour it into my crock pot, turn it on low, and the next morning we have a wonderful dish. And other cereals like hot cereal, like oatmeal, which just to have a different consistency. There's something about the slightly glutinous quality about the grains cooking for so long and so much fluid that makes for a particularly easy to swallow thing, whereas oatmeal is kind of sticky, is a little more difficult. We do kanji, and we know that we get through the morning without any problems with choking, without any swallow. We know at least the morning is easy to get through without those secondary problems. There's a lot of different reasons why people have problems with swallowing. It's not something that's talked about a whole lot, but people have cancers, surgeries, neurological problems, a stroke. I would recommend this to anybody, but anybody in particular who's dealing with a chronic health issue of one sort or another is well aware of the extra work involved for whoever is doing the cooking or setting things up, whatever. So anything that is this easy is helpful. Because it's worked so well for us, we just want to share that with other people and suggest that they give it a try. Even if it's late at night and George says, gee, are we cooking kanji tonight? It takes me about a minute and a half, and we're cooking kanji that night,